Hey everyone. So because in the US market hours there is too much of volatility, it is better, right? You can either use micros during US time frame, or you can use minis during this evening, right? Anytime between 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. You can use minis and take the trades using this strategy. So in this low risk strategy, mainly we use one is T5. The second one we can use T3 or T33 or price pulse. And then generally what we do is you look for most bullish or most bearish. So gold, again, all these metals are moving very good, right? So this is one of the most bullish ticker. Copper is very bullish. Silver is also very bullish. Then natural gas, NQ, these are very bearish. Now, for example, if you see GC here, right, your T5 is indicating bullish. This one is also indicating bullish. Your T3 is indicating bullish. So this is looking good for a long opportunity. Now we can go and take buy signals. I didn't realize that I have three contracts, but so generally during this time the volatility will be less. So if it gives a bullish, then mostly they will continue to go in the same direction. Mm, Again, if you want to take low risk, just go with one contract. Same thing, copper. Let's go to copper and see. Copper is still looking bearish. This is also bearish. And now we can go and take a short on copper. So here this is bearish. There is lot of gap. Then my I got a T3 sell signal. My T3 line is red. My T5 line is red. And there are no buy orders here. So it can come little bit down. Generally, if we can short close to this line, that is the best thing. I took it little late because it did not fill the order by the time it came all the way down. Yeah, generally during this time, gold is the best one. So yeah, while hedging, we wait for a drop. Whenever price comes to here, then again you can go long. Right, this one is green. And there is a nice gap between both the lines. So whenever you see a red candle and then you see a green candle, you can keep going, taking the long position. You can even use 1 minute. Let me make profits on this one. Write a profits on copper. Gold. Actually, it moved all the way up. We should have booked it, but GC is overall very bullish, so just it's a small drop. It will bounce back again. Yeah, that's it, everyone. So basically, we took the most bullish ticker, so we don't need to worry, right? It is going in the uptrend. There was a small pullback. Again, it went up. Again, there was a small pullback. It went up. So we looked at it is in a uptrend. It is going. It came to the bottom and started going up. It is one of the most bullish ticker. And then we saw the buy signal. We missed booking the profits. It gave a small pullback and again went up. Again, if it comes back, again you can go long. Right? We have to see it is still in the uptrend direction. If it is uptrend direction, we can keep taking the trades. So it came all the way down, then again going up. It is also bullish, but we caught it in the when it was going down. So you can use 1 minute or 2 minutes. And whenever you see this one in the red color, you take a shot. Whenever you see that in the green color, and you see this in the you have to see a nice gap between both the lines. If they are very right, completely at the top and very close, then you should not take. Here, for example, yes, started going up. You see a nice gap, then price went all the way up. Right, you got a buy, went up, went up, went up, further up. Until you see a T3 sell signal, you can continue to hold. So all you are looking is confidence between both. within few minutes, so we can make 300, 400, $500 because there won't be sudden volatility, sudden big drops or big bounces. Your risk is minimal during this time, especially with gold, copper, silver, or on some days NKD, ES, NQ. Yeah. Anyone has any questions? So tomorrow again morning we have 7:15 a.m. session. Uh, yeah, right, that is a PPI meeting. So I'll help to complete the evaluations quickly. So every day evening you can spend time for 1 hour. You can make 400, 500 in each account. If you have five accounts, that is $1,000, $2,000 every day. This is TradingView software. We developed our custom software on this. Yeah, tomorrow based on the setups, we'll take either NQ or GC. The GC is very, very bullish. So if it is, then your risk is minimal. When the NQ is moving up and down, one day going up, one day going down, but GC is continuously going up. So as I said, you have to go to order tab. Whatever is the target, you have to select, put that amount here. If 9,000 is the target, you put 9,000. Then it will, and whatever is the quantity allowed by your prop firm, you put that quantity here. If 15 contracts to make $9,000, it needs to move 2.24 ticks. It moves 24 ticks, then NKD will complete the target. If you go to ES, do the same thing. Put the quantity, put the how much profit you need to make, then automatically it will calculate how many ticks you need to make to achieve that profit. Yeah, quantity is based on the maximum whatever is allowed by the. So during US hours, use micros. During non-US hours, you can confidently take with minis with this strategy. US hours better avoid, completely avoid, or just use micros. So your risk is minimal. If you use minis during US hours, because market is so volatile, suddenly one big candle will blow the entire account. For both, even for evaluation or PA in morning time, use micros. In the evening time, use minis. Trading generally use whatever is the right. If you see the trend is very bullish, you only take long positions. If you see trend is mainly bearish, you take short positions. Your risk will be minimal if you do that. Okay, everyone. Then I'll talk in the morning tomorrow at 7:15. Good night and talk to you tomorrow.